Hi everyone! Today's craft is with recycled material. Let's get started. I cut out lots of half circles out of cardboard and also used a plastic container I had at home. I started out by sticking 2 cardboard pieces opposite of each other, then 4, then 8, then 16, and so on and so forth until all the spaces were filled with cardboard. At the end, it's starting to look like pumpkin. If you don't like that shape, you can cut out the cardboard pieces in another shape other than half circle. I used the lid of the box to know how big of a base I needed for the box. I wanted a rounded lid, so I built upon the flat lid that I had. Instead of aluminum foil, you can also use newspaper or even cut a styrofoam ball and stick it on the lid. I used store-bought air dry clay, but if you want, you can also use homemade air dry clay. And here is the handle for the lid. As long as I could, I just wound the jute rope around the structure, but as I approached the bottom of the box, it started slipping from its place. So I had to use the glue gun to stick it so it stayed where I wanted it to be. To decorate the lid, I used the clay and made a design as I went. What I mean is I did not decide the design in advance. While doing craft, things just happen unexpectedly and I don't have control over them. So many times I change my mind, I undo things and do them over. So it's very difficult for me to decide every step very meticulously in advance. This time I did not use silicone molds to make designs with clay. It takes a little longer to roll the clay and make the design, but it works just fine. To seal the jute in place, I applied the mixture of water and glue on it, and it really works wonders. I used white acrylic paint as primer and painted the lid and the box. Once the white paint dried, I painted it over with black paint. I used metallic silver to paint the clay part over. Decorating the middle of the box was an afterthought, so I did that after painting the lid and the bottom of the box. Painting with fingers is messy. If you don't like it, you can use sponge or a dry brush to paint it. I painted the clay part by layering metallic paints one over the other. Layering forms a nice amalgamation of paints, producing a unique shade of colors. And each time I did that, it produced slightly different hue, and that's the beauty of it. I painted the jute rope with metallic red and gold. To make the box look jazzy, I decided to use the rhinestone chain. Decorating with rhinestones is always my favorite part. This box can be used to store jewelry or craft jewels or rhinestones, or can simply be used as room decor. I used the cardboard circle to close the bottom of the box. And here's the final look. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you visit my channel to watch more of my videos. See you in the next one. Bye.